JavaScript is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 brings some of the most exciting features yet. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these updates will change the way you write code. Let's dive into the future of JavaScript. First up, records and tuples. These are new, immutable data structures that make working with complex state management a breeze. Records are immutable objects and tuples are immutable arrays. Here's how they work. Trying to modify them will throw an error, ensuring your data stays consistent. This is perfect for state management in libraries like Redux or React contexts. Next, the pipeline operator. This feature lets you chain functions in a clean, readable way, similar to Unix pipelines. Check this out. Say goodbye to nested function calls and hello to cleaner, more maintainable code. Pattern matching is here to replace the clunky statement. It's more expressive and intuitive, inspired by languages like Rust and Elixir. Here's how it works. With pattern matching, handling complex conditions has never been easier. Top level is a game changer. It lets you use outside of functions, simplifying module initialization. Take a look. JavaScript const data = await fetch data. // no need for an async wrapper console.log data. This reduces boilerplate code and makes your modules cleaner and more efficient. Decorators are here to supercharge your classes. They allow you to annotate and modify classes, methods, and properties. Here's an example. JavaScript at log class user, at readily name =John, function log target, console.log, function readonly, target key descriptor. Descriptor.writable =false. Decorators are widely used in frameworks like Angular and TypeScript, making them a must-know feature. Say goodbye to the headaches of the legacy object. The temporal API introduces a modern, immutable way to handle dates and times. Here's how it works. JavaScript const date =temporal.now.plainDateISO, console.log, date.toString, / October 15th, 2025. With better time zone handling and immutability, the temporal API is a lifesaver for date-related operations. Private methods and fields let you encapsulate class internals, preventing external access. Here's how you can use them. JavaScript class user #name =John, #logname, console log this, #name, greet, this, #logname, const user =new user, // user, #name / error, private field cannot be accessed. This feature makes your classes more robust and secure. Last but not least, the method simplifies data grouping. No more relying on external libraries like Lodash. Here's how it works. JavaScript const users =, name John age 25, name Jane age 30, const grouped =, users, group by user =, user.age, 25, adult, young, console log grouped, // young, name John age 25, adult, name Jane age 30. With organizing data has never been easier. JavaScript in 2025 is more powerful than ever. By embracing these new features, you'll write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable code. Whether you're building web apps, APIs, or libraries, the future of JavaScript is bright. So, what are you waiting for? Start experimenting with these features today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Happy coding! Follow us for more tutorials and tech insights. #JavaScript 2025 #web development #coding tips.